Hello guys, today I will show you how to give internet access to your laptop without Wi-Fi. As you can see, my laptop isn't connected to any Wi-Fi. There's no internet access as I'm talking to you now. Now, all you have to do is to connect your phone to your laptop using USB cable. Now that your phone has been connected to your laptop, take your phone and drag down the notification bar of your phone and make sure your mobile data is on. Press the settings button and go to connections. Press on mobile hotspot and tetherings. Now switch on USB tethering and move back to your laptop. Now your laptop have internet access without using Wi-Fi. You can now open your browser and start browsing. Okay, this is all about today's video, and I hope you really like it. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel as well. Let me know in the comments section if there's any video you'll like me to do. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video, which will allow you using your phone on your laptop without touching your phone.